Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, Sir, I am grateful to the honorable members who participated in the budget debate and lent general support to my budget proposals. Stop. I am all the more grateful to the honorable members who took a critical attitude on the budget because I do realize we are faced with a complex and very difficult situation. Stop. There are no straight answers to many of the questions. Stop. There are no simple solutions. Stop. Therefore, I do realize that there would be no alternative approaches to this situation, and therefore when honorable members made points which are not in conformity with the budget, it is not as if they had no relevance at all or no validity at all. Stop. But I can assure the honorable members that it is not just without any discussion whatsoever or detailed study whatsoever that I have formulated the budget. Stop. I have had as much wide discussion as possible, very detailed examination of the various problems, and on that basis I have made judgment and formulated the budget. Stop. I do not claim infallibility with regard to my judgment. Stop. Therefore, particularly in a situation of this sort, the other points of view are more important than the points of view which are in conformity with the budget. Stop. I would assure the honorable members that I shall certainly examine many of the points that have been made, and if there are any deficiencies and distortions, it would be my endeavor to correct them as we go along. Stanza. Having said that, I would like to say that there was consensus, particularly with regard to the priorities which we have got to observe in tackling this problem. Stop. Almost all honorable members emphasized this aspect of inflation because if the price increase should go on in the same manner as it has been going on during the last 2 years, it would be an end of all our planning process, and it would create very many distortions in the economy as a whole, because it is in the inflationary situation that the income distribution also get distorted. Stop. Therefore, the government attaches great importance to the tackling of the inflationary situation. Stop. And naturally, the inflationary situation first of all should be tackled on the basis of a financial discipline. Stop. That financial discipline has to be observed in 3 sectors, if I may say so. Stop. One is public spending or public consumption, wherein the central government, full stop, over.